What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. This is Versailles, and
I'm Ethan.
This is my son Ethan. Today is a very special day. This is actually the first time I've ever been able to come out and go camping with Ethan. So before we jump in this video, make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up so that we get opened up to like-minded people like yourselves. Let's get started. This is actually my first time camping with my son, Ethan. A lot of people that had known that I have a son, they've asked, how come Ethan hasn't been able to be a part of the videos? And that's just a few different reasons. For one, I was actually going to get him right around Christmas time, and that is when I blew the injectors in my diesel, and all my injectors had to be redone. That took like a good 5 weeks. Right after that, I got COVID. Right after I had COVID, unfortunately, my grandpa passed away, and it's just been this ongoing thing of something that happened. And Ethan would like to share something else that happened, why he hasn't been able to come camping as well.
So basically, guys, what happened was I was at school on Friday a couple weeks ago, and I was playing basketball with my friend Logan. I went to go grab the ball, and when I went to grab the ball, I tripped over his foot. I kind of jammed these 3 fingers like that, and now I'm in a cast. That's kind of one of the main reasons why I haven't been able to be in a few of these videos.
This is the start to a whole new camping season, and there's gonna be plenty more trips for us to do. So there's our little spot, so let's check it out. Got the truck set up. Of course, I got the ice going Blue Eddy right there. I actually had an oh poop moment. For some reason, I was going down one of the little hills. We're down a forest road a good 30 or 40 minutes, and the truck literally shut off. And me and Ethan started freaking out. I don't know if that was because like one of the battery cables got messed up or something. So we had to pull over and kind of check things out, but so far we're good right now. So Ethan was out here and getting us firewood. We've gotten our firewood all situated and ready. We got the little bed action all figured out. I'll sleep on this side. Ethan will sleep on that side, and Versailles, I don't know, she'll sleep in the middle. So we're gonna do a little hike and check out what's around us. That's weird.
What is?
Oh, you know what that probably was at one time? What? That was probably a water hole for cows or something, and it's just filled up with dirt now. Ethan's afraid that the bobcats and bears and mountain lions are gonna come get us, so he made sure to ask me, did you bring your piece? Yes, I did. There's a structure up there or something. Stay here, Versailles. Don't go too far. The only thing is, how the heck do you get up there? I can't do that with a camera. I wonder if we could go this way. That was probably easier than this way. I could just put the camera up and then lift you up. Lift the dog up. Do you need help?
Nope.
You can climb up it?
I'm pretty sure.
Versailles, wait. Versailles, wait. I'm gonna help you. Oh shit. Oh. You got it? You got it, girl? Good girl. Waiting on Ethan. Oh yeah, you got one hand.
Yeah.
Sorry. We're gonna go to it. I think that it's definitely a watering hole for the cows. What the heck is this though? There's a lot of cactus right here, and I didn't bring her shoes. That is some old metal, man. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, this definitely, look at, it's got like a solar panel up there. Oh yeah, this is their watering hole. Nice. Want to go swimming?
I don't think she wants to swim in that.
The one thing that makes me nervous about all this though, having that water hole definitely brings in bobcats, mountain lions, exactly what Ethan's afraid of.
That's not how I want to die. That probably has dead stuff.
Oh, look at, there's a trail that comes up here. We just didn't see that trail.
Oh, what the heck?
Come on, Versailles. That's cool, man. It's got its own little solar panel.
That's fresh poo.
Fresh cow dung. You'd never know that this is like up here. Think about that. How the heck would they have gotten this thing up here?
Maybe it was flatlands at once?
Flatlands at once?
I don't know. Thinking stupid.
Somebody's got a tummy ache. I'm gonna head back to camp and get some water.
And we're back.
So what do you think?
Pretty nice out here.
What do you think of the tent?
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. It's gonna be cool to see the lights on. I haven't used these lights before.
Yeah. Oh, you know something we should have got?
What?
S'more stuff.
S'more? I haven't had anything yet. The truck is running. That's a good thing. So we're starting the truck every couple hours just to make sure we're not gonna run into any more problems. Hopefully it was a fluke thing. That's not a good thing either way, but still running. We gotta just make sure that we get out of here because we're a ways away from civilization. So we're gonna cook up some of this leftovers from last night. We're just gonna heat up some pasta. Super easy for dinner, and that's what we're eating. Well, there we go. Plop that right in there. Oh man, I think I left it on there too long. So one thing with cast iron is that you cannot leave stuff cooking on it forever because it cooks really fast and you'll just burn the crap out of the pan. Taste it, see if it's ready yet. Is it hot enough yet? One-handed cooking action here.
Yep.
We got steam, baby. No, it's good. I wish I could say I made it, but it's really greasy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you got grease all over your face.
Nice.
I can't wait to get fire.
It's cold.
You want to light the fire?
Yeah.
Light the other one. Oh, you got it? Nice, good job.
Thanks.
You're such a weenie.
I'm used to give all I
Such a
have.
weenie.
I'm used to get nothing
Ew.
back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to.
Put a piece of firewood in.
Yeah.
But you gotta make sure when you put it in on this side and put it in the center.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Wait,
All you gotta do is put it in there like that.
Oh, I guess not.
You're gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What? You said put it
Yeah,
in
but
this
you dropped it
center.
like it's a hot pocket. All you gotta do is just set it in here like here. It's
Okay.
not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna get you. Scoot up more. Oh, there you go. There you go. Perfect.
Say you. I'm used to give up 100 times. It's never been worth it. But now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how.
So what'd you think of today?
It was fun.
First good camping trip or what?
Yeah. One of my first actual camping trips.
Oh yeah, but you been with Brian.
Yeah, that was near civilization though.
Over when nothing's right. Would you hold me tight in the rain?
So guys, we're just gonna hang out by the fire and enjoy the rest of the night, tell some stories. So we'll catch up with you guys in the morning.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Easter. It's the next day. We just woke up, saw the sunrise. Pretty little sunrise morning. So we're gonna just wrap it up here, get packed up, and go spend Easter with our families. But before we do, got something. Toast to you guys and to Ethan. Hey, close your eyes. Woo! Happy Easter! And then party time, some white grape cocktail. Woo!
Gosh, dang, Dad.
You gotta down it.
Uh-oh.
Chug, 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 chug.
That was good.
I made my coffee. This was a good experience coming and hanging out, our first time camping. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up and like it so we get opened up to like-minded people who like camping, fishing, hiking, outdoors type videos. With all that being said, have a great weekend, a great rest of your week. Happy Easter, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good job.